everything. And they gave their lives so we could have this.
Celebrating Social Security. Happy birthday. We're celebrating Social Security today. It's the 78th anniversary of Social Security. All these people came out to help us celebrate and rededicate ourselves to keeping it.
The greatest thing surprised is that sometimes we take things for granted.
This program that has been available to us, Social Security, if it hadn't been for Social Security in 2001 that I've got real sick, as it is, I had been a widow for 4 years, and I had been working for myself to sustain myself. But then I got real sick in 2001 and was unable to work, had to quit working. And after the ordeal being out of the hospital, I knew I couldn't go back to work. And so one more time, thank God for the Social Security program, I was able to sustain myself, have a roof over my head, and have the money enough to sustain my expenses. So I thank God for Social Security, and my name is Rosa V. Gonzalez.
Hi, I'm Lorraine Barabell. I work for Congressman Mark Macy. And I just want to thank you for inviting me to celebrate Social Security's birthday. 78 years ago, President Franklin Roosevelt signed it into law, and it's just as important now as it was 78 years ago to provide a critical safety net for our seniors. And we'll continue to fight to make sure that safety net is here for our generations in the future.
Is Congressman Vesey going to stand up for seniors?
Yes, he is.
All right.
My name is Pat, and I enjoy Social Security, so I hope it will stay that way.
Right on.
Wallace Manuel, I'm the second vice president of Local 848, and I'm the chaplain of this Mid-City Chapel. I'm so happy today that we've come together with one purpose, and that's to make sure our congressmen know that we don't want it cut, we want it increased.
I'm Marjorie Steakley. I'm drawing a disability. If the legislation proposed to expand Social Security is passed, I'll no longer need any food stamps. Right.
Mi nombre es Rosa V. González y le doy gracias a Dios primeramente, ¿verdad?, por este programa que fue hecho posible a través de este presidente, ¿verdad?, en agosto 14 de 1943, 43, and if it hadn't been for that, si no hubiera sido por eso, ¿verdad?, en 2001, cuando me enfermé de tal manera que yo tuve, ¿verdad?, que dejar de trabajar. Tenía 4 años, ¿verdad?, que mi esposo había muerto y pues era una viuda y yo tenía que trabajar para sostenerme, pero cuando yo me enfermé tuve que dejar de trabajar y pues gracias a Dios que si no hubiera sido por Social Security.
These are political people, retirees that matter to our leaders of the Mid-Cities chapter. On the left is Chineta Flores, on the right, Brenda Warner.